Welcome back. This video will walk you through how to update your health and diet profile. Start by tapping Settings in the menu at the lower right of your screen. The Settings menu is home to a few different areas: account management screens, screens that impact your meal plan, a support section, and links to user agreements. For today, we're going to focus on one section in particular: My Health and Diet Profile. Tapping into My Health and Diet Profile takes you to a screen that lists every question you answered on your initial survey. From here, you can update any of your previous answers at any time, and those changes will directly shape how your future meal plans are generated. Here's a great example of why this matters. Let's say your side effects you are experiencing from your cancer treatment have resolved. That's an important update to make in your profile. By indicating that you no longer have those side effects, you'll unlock ingredients that were previously being held back. And that opens up many more recipes that can make a real impact on your health. So remember, anytime something about your health, treatment, or preference changes, you can come right to the My Health and Diet Profile screen and update your answers. Thanks for watching. I'm wishing you the very best of health. Live long and live well.